Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to add Railcard to Apple Wallet from Trainline app. Are you having trouble adding your Railcard to Apple Wallet from Trainline app? Don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. As you all know, you can't add any external card other than debit or credit card, transit card, driver's license or state ID directly from the Apple Wallet itself. Just follow these easy steps. Open the Trainline app and go to the sign-in section. If you already have an account, log in. Click on Railcards. Select Find Your Railcard. Scroll down. You can choose the railcards from different options. After selecting your railcard, follow these steps. Tap Buy 1 year for €30 to get the railcard you want on your phone. Enter your first and last name. Upload a digital passport-style photo for a railcard from your phone. Sign into your Trainline account on the app and buy your digital railcard. After doing this, you'll see an option which says Add to Apple Wallet. Click on it and your railcard will be successfully added to your Apple Wallet.